Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my Prime review. We are going to be taking a close look at Prime, and also, most importantly, I'll be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving away to get you the best outcome. With Prime, this is my bonus page. You find the link to this page in the description of this video. Prime goes live on the 29th of October by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So Prime is a 7-channel traffic software. This is a multi-channel traffic app that allows you to drive traffic in different ways, which you are going to see. One of them includes by email marketing. You can actually connect your API, build your list, send out promotional emails. One of them is the social traffic that allows you to manage both Facebook and Instagram. You can actually send out posts, videos, images, get a ton of traffic, managing a number of Facebook pages or Instagram pages. It also gives you access to comment automation and a bunch of other tools. It allows you to create videos to different social media platforms like Facebook, like YouTube, like Snapchat. Now you get templates to these videos that you can actually use to easily create these videos basically under seconds. You can actually create these videos and actually start using these to drive a ton of traffic. So this comes with different tools all inside one dashboard that allows you to drive a ton of traffic. If internet marketing is your thing at all, then this is one tool that I actually completely recommend, because this helps you to drive a ton of traffic whichever way you decide to use this. So I'm going to run through my custom bonuses, and then I'm also going to let you see how this works. Now, I've actually put together bonuses that will help you get started, even if you've never made a dime. Even if all you made is $0 online up till now, I'm actually giving you bonuses that would actually enable you change that and start making some consistent income with affiliate marketing, with internet marketing online, starting from today. Now, my first bonus, I'm going to be giving you access to my responsive email list of over 800 plus subscribers plus autoresponder software. Now, you're going to be getting autoresponder software inside of Prime, but I'm also giving you my list with autoresponder software to actually start sending out promotional emails to this list. And also, you can actually upload your list and actually manage it with Prime, send out emails, and then you can actually hit the ground running within the shortest possible period of time. Also, bonus number 2, you're going to be getting access to another traffic software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic from other people's videos. Now, this does not require video or content creation at all, because it allows you to take advantage of already existing videos in any niche, and you can actually place links, place opt-in forms, place images, place custom buttons on these videos. When people actually click on these videos, it actually takes them to your affiliate link or to any link you have actually set up in this. So that's my bonus number 2. Bonus number 3, you are going to be getting access to a full funnel. You'll be getting access to the full funnel of Octagon, which is also a traffic software. Octagon gives you access to done for you product reviews, some high quality product reviews for Warrior Plus products, for ClickBank products. In the case of Warrior Plus, for example, now all you need to do, in the case of ClickBank rather, all you need to go and do is go and get your ClickBank affiliate ID, which is essentially your ClickBank username. Come and add it to this profile, save this, and then all these done for you product reviews for ClickBank become active with your own affiliate links. This comes with done for you bonuses on these review pages that actually encourage people to take action, and this actually helps your conversion. Also, bonus number 4, you're going to be getting access to automated Quora traffic software that allows you to automatically drive a ton of traffic from Quora to any link, without doing the work. Also, bonus number 5, it's known that bonuses actually encourage people to actually take action when they land on your pages. So you're going to be getting access to a premium bonus page creator and automatic delivery page creator. So you don't have to do any work basically, because you also get access to graphics, you get access to done for you bonuses that you can actually offer to ensure people actually decide to pick up any product from you instead of anybody else. Also, bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to 4,000 plus images and quotes that are ready to go on social media, because Prime actually gives you access to drive a ton of traffic from YouTube or Instagram. Now you're going to be getting access to ready-made resources that you can start using immediately to start driving a ton of traffic to any link you want to send traffic to. Now, going to the vendor bonuses, you're going to be getting some of the recently launched software that are still on sale created by the vendor. You're going to be getting access to Matic. Matic is a Facebook traffic and automation software. You get access to comment automation. Also, you get access to done for you page builder, all inside of one dashboard. Just to let you know, you're going to be getting access to that also. Also, bonus number 8, you're going to be getting access to Plex, which is also another software from the vendor. And this is a cloud-based email marketing software that allows you to blast your links or any other link or your affiliate links or your money pages to your audience to start making money immediately. You also get access to page builder. You also get access to traffic software that allows you to socially blast your links or your content to a ton of traffic. And of course, there's a ton of bonuses, software bonuses that these vendors have actually launched, just to let you know that you are also going to be getting access to them also. And that's going to be bonus number 9. In addition to Matic, in addition to Plex, there's still a ton of them. Just to let you know, you're also going to be getting access to all these bonuses in addition to my own bonuses. Now, how do you lock in all these bonuses? What you need to do is click on any of the red buttons on this page. And if you do that, it's going to take you to the sales page of Prime. This is where you're going to be able to pick up Prime, and we are going to be getting full information about the cloud-based software. So now you're going to be getting your bonuses inside your members area of Warrior Plus. Once you log in, go to your purchases, you find Prime, and then you find my bonuses in blue right next to Prime. So let's go to the bonus. Let's go to the sales page rather. It says new app forces the internet to pay us even while we sleep. One-click multi-channel app drives free traffic in 26 seconds that make us $51.77 per hour. Created for beginners with no tech skills or experience. Also pilot traffic from 300 sources. So come check out the video presentation in your own time as soon as this goes live on the 29th of October by 11 a.m. And that's when you'll be able to pick this up. You're also going to find proof of results right here on the sales page of Matic. So come check this out in your own time. I'm going to show you the pricing right now. Then you are going to see exactly how Prime works. The front end goes for a one-time fee of $17, which is pretty cool considering the fact that you're actually getting a whole bunch of tools all inside one dashboard, and you also get other tools. You get a ton of bonuses that actually help you to start driving traffic, to start getting conversions right away. Also, upsell number 1, the optional upgrades now. Upsell number 1 is the Prime GoPro edition. This goes for $39, and then the GoPro edition of Prime lets you unlock a further 3 channels, including SEO, e-commerce, and affiliate networks. Upsell number 2 is the Prime Lazy Traffic Done For You edition that goes for $197. And in this upgrade, the team aims to deliver done for you traffic and sales, which is cool. They're going to be delivering done for you traffic and sales for you. Upsell number 3 is the Prime Auto edition that goes for $39. And this allows you to activate all the automation tools within Prime. Upsell number 4 is the multi-pay edition that goes for $37, and you'll be able to run 10 simultaneous campaigns for up to $517.70 per hour. The final upgrade is the Prime Go Extreme that goes for $67. And the unlimited edition of Prime allows you to unlock unlimited campaigns, unlimited niches, unlimited traffic, plus 13 total traffic channels. So that's going to be my review of Prime. Stay tuned now to see the full demo of Prime.